Introducing the Ruko F11GIM2 drone, your ultimate flying companion. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, 2-axis gimbal, and EIS technology, this drone captures every detail with stunning clarity. With 4 powerful batteries, enjoy an impressive 112 minutes of total flight time. Flying has never been safer with advanced GPS, auto-return, and level 6 wind resistance, ensuring your drone comes back home every time. Whether you're exploring high altitudes or windy coastlines, the Follow Me feature keeps the drone by your side. The Ruko F11GIM2 is FAA Remote ID compliant, giving you peace of mind while adhering to legal requirements. It offers long-range control of up to 9,800 feet, making it perfect for professionals and adventure enthusiasts alike. Included in the package are 4 intelligent batteries, extra propellers, a landing pad, a carrying case, and more. Plus, Ruko provides a 90-day warranty and 24/7 online support for a worry-free experience.
This link is an affiliate link. If you purchase a product through these links, I will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps me create better content. Purchase link, description, and in the first comment. Thank you.